This product is absolutely brilliant. Coco was going to the vets really frequently with ear infections. And as soon as she'd come back, within about a week or 2 weeks of getting antibiotics from the vets, she would get another ear infection. So we've started using this. It's called Otodine. You can buy it on Amazon, free delivery if you've got Prime. And it's really doing the trick. Her ears are nice and clean. We don't do it all the time. It's like a maintenance programme. So we just kind of keep her ears clean. And you squirt some in her ears. We do both ears, and it gets all the black out and stops her scratching.